Hello friends, in this video I'm just going to connect this Bluetooth home theater speaker. I have soundbar here. So this is a Bluetooth speaker. So I'm going to connect this Nintendo Switch to this Bluetooth home theater. You need to update with the latest software. It should be version 13. So you need to go to settings. Go to settings. And scroll down. Come to system and update your system software. So mine is up to date, version should be 13. So going back, once you update it right, you can see this Bluetooth audio options under system settings. So tap it and go to pair device. It is searching. So I need to turn on the speaker Bluetooth. So options, aux TV input, Bluetooth is enabled. So now it is in pairing mode. Now I should see that here. Super cool, it is found. So just going to simply tap it. So choose and tap it. Tap A button. Super cool, it is connected. Connected to Bluetooth audio information is received. So you can see this blue tick mark, which means it is successfully connected. So increase the sound, you can see the same name. Now I'm going to play videos in YouTube. As the speaker is connected right, it is stable. So I'm going to play some songs. I'm going to increase the sound.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Next I'm going to connect into Nintendo Switch Lite. So same procedure. I need to go to system settings. I need to have the latest software. So system, under system settings, system update, it should be version 13. Super cool, it is up to date. Going back and selecting this Bluetooth audio. Once we update it right, we can see this options, then go to pair device. So it should be in pairing mode. Any speakers, any Bluetooth speakers, it should be in pairing mode. Super cool, it is found. So I'm going to select it. Super cool, it is connected. Okay, and increasing the volume, you can see that. So Bluetooth is connected. So okay, going back, I'm going to play some videos. This time I just want to play some games. You can hear the sound. Super cool. That's it friends, this is the way you can connect your Bluetooth speakers to your Nintendo Switch or Nintendo Switch Lite. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put up comments and feedbacks and my forms. Thank you. Bye friends and take care.